Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to check if your iPhone IMEI is locked by a carrier. When a phone SIM is locked, you're unable to switch between different carriers like AT&T or Verizon. But if your phone is unlocked, you can switch with no issue. Normally, if you purchase your iPhone through Apple, it'll be unlocked, but say AT&T will do this to get you to stick with them. This becomes pretty important when you're purchasing a used iPhone. To check, we'll first look at the option on the iPhone. Open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and choose General, and at the top inside of here, tap About. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, and in the center, you'll see Carrier Lock. If you're not seeing this, and you're on an older version of iOS, you may need to update to a new version first. If your iPhone is unlocked, you'll see no SIM restrictions. You're good to go then, and you can switch out your SIMs with no problem. But as you can see on my phone, mine is locked by AT&T and shows SIM locked. If that's the case, then you'll be restricted on this phone at this point to stay with the original carrier. Another way to check if you can't find the carrier lock option is to use an online tool to look up your device IMEI, which is the number here. To do this, head to any web browser. There's a bunch of options you can use, and if you Google SIM card unlocked carrier check, you'll get a bunch of results. We'll use the website IMEI Check in this example. Head to IMEICheck.com. On the menu on the top right, hover over Free IMEI Check, and then choose iPhone Carrier Check. Still looking in the About section on your iPhone, enter the info here from the sections from your phone. Make sure to enter everything correct. Once you're done, hit check and it'll give you a pop-up window with the results. Look at the bottom and it'll let you know if it's locked or not. And that's how you check if your iPhone is locked or unlocked. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.